Right. So I'm I'm recording this session, guys. Okay, for the future references. So first of all, a very warm welcome and very good morning, everyone. So people joined from multiple locations with different time zones. Thank you so much, first of all, for joining the RPA Vault UiPath and Power Automation training sessions. So first, let me introduce you all myself. So myself, Raghava Tadikonda. Basically, I'm based out of Vijayawada, but got settled down in Hyderabad. I have completed my qualification MCA in the year 2014. Post graduation, I have done. So I do have almost like 11 plus years of experience in IT industry. Started my career as a Java developer with Capgemini in Bangalore location. After 3 years of time as a Java developer, I got this opportunity to learn this tool UiPath internally. There I have trained and I got like worked internally with the 1 second, guys. Someone joined, but saying no one is speaking. Guys, able to hear me, right? Audio and everything clear now. If any issues, please let me know, guys.
Yes, it is clear.
Yes, it's clear.
Okay, thank you. Right. So after that 3 years of experience in Java, I got this opportunity. Even in the starting of the career, even I was also wondered and shocked whether, because so many tools will come into the market and it will exist, whether this RPA tool is also will be able to success, or will it become success or failure. So I was like very dilemma in the starting stage. But after some time, because I don't have any another option, I was on bench and I need to have to learn this tool. So that's how I got this opportunity to learn and train directly from UiPath in my career starting. And after that, I got switched to KPIT Technologies. It's an automotives based company, which based out of Pune. After that, I switched to Berlasoft Pune location, and after that, I worked with Infosys, and after that, Signity, and now currently working with Coforge as a UiPath technical lead. So so in my past 11 years of experience, my RPA tools experience like with almost 8 plus years. So I'm a professional certified trainer, professional certified developer, and UiPath key contributor for Hyderabad chapter. So I have almost 7 plus years of experience in teaching in UiPath, and I have trained more than 1,000 plus students so far from last 7 plus years individually. And how I got this certified trainer award, I got opportunity to train almost 17,000 plus college students in Tamil Nadu. So where all they have launched a program called Non Model One. So in that program, we got opportunity to train the people from the college students for all the final year with computer science background students. They have chosen this topic. Total 12 lakh students are there. In that one, they have chosen almost so this is the website. So it's total 23 lakh students are there. At the time it was 12 in 2023. So in this one, total 250 plus courses are there. Total 2,200 plus universities and colleges tied up with 80 plus partners. In this one, out, out of 250 plus, your path is one of the course, and uh, the total 17,000 students out of 23 lakh student got choose this UiPath course. For them, total complete semester is UiPath itself directly. Right, generally after our academics, again we will go to the Amirpet, again we'll start with Java, .NET, Python, right? But instead of that, what they have done, Tamil Nadu government, they have launched, why don't we initiate such kind of automation programs in our colleges itself as a last semester subject. So like that they have emerged with all latest and training technology, institutions, and then they have helped students to get trained on this technique, on these technologies. So that's how we have a team and we have trained them, and it was successful training. That's how I got certified as a certified trainer. Okay. So, so that is about my your path journey from last 8 plus years. And out of these 1,000 plus students, more than 300 to 350 plus students got settled down in multiple companies. So I do have like many successful stories that my students got settled down with different career backgrounds. So why everybody is discussing about RPA? We have already so many automation tools and technologies are available in the market, but still why everybody is discussing about RPA? Why it became very much trending and popular? Because all the companies are, of course, everybody looking for to save some money and time, right? But remaining all automation tools and technologies, they do have their own limitations. They cannot automate everything. For example, if you take macro, right, macros, guys, what it can automate. Can we automate any web application using Excel macro? Yes or no, guys? It's very simple question. Anyone knows macros here?
We cannot do automation by automation.
Right. Because it have a limitation. It can automate only Excel related. For example, Selenium. If you take Selenium, you cannot, test some like when maybe kind of a black and white command prompt based kind of applications. So for every existing automation, they do have their own limitations. But for these RPA tools, we don't have any limitations. And another thing is you can learn yourself. Another advantage is it's a low code, no code platform. You no need to write lines, the hundreds and thousands of lines of code in these RPA tools. It is a simple drag and drop automation tool. Anyone can learn. Some of the tools are open source, which means you can learn for free of cost. So that's how, at the starting time, I was like very panic and worried. But after that, today, I'm very happy that I learned the subject, and even I'm helping many people who wants to kickstart their careers. Because guys, these RPA tools mostly suitable for the people who wants to kickstart their industry in IT industry. Okay, they already have some career gap, 3 years or 4 years gap, and some people they will start their journey in some non-technical background, some voice process, some BPOs, some APOs, some support jobs and all. Because lack of guidance, they will start career, by using that, by going with any of the non-technical. But after 2 to 3 years, they will realize that, Arey yaar, I am not in the correct place. I don't have any career growth. I am not at all getting any technical stuff. I am just doing the same repetitive job every day. With the same experience, their friends, whoever is working in the IT companies, they will withdraw very much good package, but these people will get in the stuck in the same place. They cannot come out because whatever the salary they are getting, they are already having some commitments. They cannot take the challenges and they cannot come out from that comfort zone. That's how they will get stuck with that support jobs. And some people they will start career as a Java or .NET or Python or any of the coding programming language, but after some time, they cannot able to write the code because they will feel very much scared to write the lines of code. And some like women, married women, they'll have some career gap. After marriage they'll have some kids, again they will take some 2 to 3 years of career gap. So for all these people, RPA tools are very, very wonderful and best technologies to start your careers, guys. So, So in this one, like as I have mentioned, these all are the professional certified course tools, guys. We should have to do some certifications. If you are a professional certified person, then only recruiters will consider your profile. If you should have to put that in your resume, certified professional your path, then only recruiters will check your profile and they will call you. So how to become professional and how to do that, which certification we have to do, everything I'll help you. So in that one, I have completed almost more than 45 plus certifications in UiPath, guys. I have done some paid, I have done some free. Associate one, developer professional, advanced, business analyst, solution architect, autopilot for testing, agentic AI, all these kind of certifications I have done. And even as how I got this UiPath key contributor for Hyderabad chapter. So with my with my interest and with my passion about the technology and the tool, every day with my experiences, we I have conducted more than 15 plus in-person meetups in Hyderabad, where all the people from automation background they can come and join, and people who wants to start their careers, they will come and join those sessions. There we will conduct a session on your path. We will explain any of the topic, and after that the people we can come and interact. They can increase their network. They can look for the opportunities. That's how with my network, whatever the openings every day I am receiving, I will keep posted in all my groups. Okay, so so this is about my LinkedIn profile, guys. So many people even they won't turn on their camera. They don't tell about whether is it a real name or fake name also. But I'm a professional trainer. Even my company also knows that I will give trainings. So this is about like myself, community speaker, official professional certified trainer, your path key contributor, technical lead, certified in associate, developer professional, business analyst, solution architect, and I'm part of Center of Excellence team. And these all are my companies which I worked: Capgemini, KPIT, Birlasoft, Infosys, Signity, and now Coforge. Signity is acquired with Coforge. Okay, so this is about my professional and about my WhatsApp groups. As I have told you, all my students, more than 1,000 plus members, I have trained. So if you observe, this is like this group has been filled with 1,024 members. So these are all my students, guys, who learn your path from me. Okay. So this community's members, I am the admin. Yeah. So created this group dedicatedly for my students. For example, we have started this batch, 25 members joined. So I will add all those people to this group, and then like they will once batch completed, I will add them to this group. So these are all my students. So if you observe, every day I will post all the openings happening across the globe. Hey Raghu, we learn technology and tool from you. How about the jobs? What is the current market? I have this much of experience, I have this much of gap. How can I create my profile? With how many years of experience I should put? What will you recommend? How many jobs are there? So if you can apply, companies by using, applying for all these companies, guys. See here, this is like Pune, Bangalore, Chennai. This is multiple locations. Like this every day I will keep posted. Okay. Other than this, even we have a page, because now if you join in the WhatsApp group, you cannot able to access all my previous, messages, right? Openings. Now that's why to get access for all the previous one, what we have done, we have created a own page with our company name called RPA Vault. If you go through the LinkedIn, you can search for RPA Vault. You can see all my post here. Okay. For example, Let me go through any one of the post. Okay. See here what they're telling you. They're looking for senior UiPath developer remote position, and you can send them email. Once your batch completed, you get some hands-on experience, you get confidence on the subject. You can send your resume to these email addresses. Let them know that you are looking for the job. Instead of creating the Naukri, instead of creating the LinkedIn, and instead of looking for the job when the recruiters will get called, instead of looking into your mobile, why don't you send your profile directly to them? Let them know that you are looking for the job. Okay, so you can get access for all these, recruiter email addresses. And so my previous batch started on January 25th, guys, last batch. So in that batch total, we have completed almost 26 classes. Okay. So today morning also class completed. So once class completed, guys, you will get the recording automatically. Okay. See, this is class 1 and 2, class 3, class 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 18, 19, 20, 21, 23, 25, 26. So today 27th class completed. Okay. So once completed automatically, you will get the recordings. And another thing, what you can get if you learned your path from my end. So guys, our objective is, not such a kind of started the class and how many of you attended or not. We don't bother. It's not like that. If a person comes with some hope because they want to start their career, already some gap has created. They want to settle down. It's time to do marriage. Nobody is bothering you. So if a person can like comes with some hope, definitely I want to do something for them. With all my experiences, I can give them better suggestions. I can help them my level best by sharing all opportunities, by sharing the resumes, by taking the mock interviews, by helping them sharing scenario based questions, by helping them by sharing the system test activities and all. So that definitely, you are ready to fit the job. Of course, it's even of course some little bit luck and fate also should be there. Some people will get the job immediately. Some people it will take 1 month. Some people it will take 45 days. Someone will take 2 months, but definitely will get the job. Jobs are here for us. If you put some interest, if you have some guidance, definitely jobs are there for you. So, so guys, see here, these are all the tasks we have designed for our students. And these are all the projects you should have to practice every day. For example, today we discussed about the screen scraping technology. Then you should have to do this task. This is a project, and you have done some PDF invoice extraction. You have to do this HR onboarding. Like this, we have designed some hands-on experience projects also. Okay, and these are all the resources, guys, which I can help you in sharing. For example, here Raghu, I have 3 years of experience. Can you please share me some resumes? So see here we have classified fresher resume, 1 to 3 years resume, 3 to 5 years, 5+ years samples, more resumes. See, these are all different resumes, guys. Okay, you will have access for all these resumes, and then interview questions. I have collected with all my experiences many interview questions. So these are all the interview questions can help you a lot. So many interview question documents are there with me. I can help you in sharing all those interview questions as well, and along with that even I can help you in providing the soft copy material also, which directly got from UiPath. Okay, so this is like almost we have more than 140 slides. In this one you can get each and every topic document, topic wise, introduction and preparation definition. So if you go through this, definitely you can able to crack the interview in terms of theoretical. Definitely you will get very good knowledge which directly get from the UiPath. Okay, so and so here if you observe, I will give you recruiter email addresses. Before I created this page, before I created that group, I have so many recruiter email IDs with me. I can give you in sharing all those recruiter email IDs addresses so that you can send your profiles to them, and definitely, you can get you have the scope that you can receive more calls, more interviews. Okay. And some people will say, hey Raghu, we are from Telugu medium background, we are from different background, I am very scared, even I don't know how to introduce myself, even I don't know how to explain the project, because in interview they will ask you the first question after the self introduction. What they will ask you, where you're from, which company you're working now, and immediately they'll ask you, can you please explain me your recent project, what you have done. I don't know what I should say. So I can help you in explaining end-to-end project explanation, so that you can go through that project and you can get each and every question resolved. And I'll give you course presentations, interview topics, recordings, daily class notes, some sample projects. Sample projects means we have sample projects, guys. Okay. So these are all the course presentations, and so these are all the different projects we will give for the students to get some hands-on experience. And so like this kind of presentations I do have concept wise. I can give you all these kind of presentations also for your interview purposes, and shortcuts, recordings, and these are all the practice websites, how to practice, how to go, what to go. I can give you and all, and then certifications. So I can help you in clearing all these certifications as well. Okay. So previously, when I have started, uh, I have started like as a independent contributor, guys. In RPA, why companies are paying you very high salary jobs? Because it's not like a kind of a traditional job, guys. Your friend might already worked in Java, .NET, or testing, or Python. So what they will do, they will follow some agile methodology. In software development life cycle, we have waterfall model, agile model. So agile methodology they will follow. They have Scrum Master, they have sprint planning, they have some documentation, solution architect, lead, project manager, delivery manager, developer, tester, deployment team, monitoring team, support team. There are so many people work together to complete a project. But in here in RPA, it's not like that, guys. It's different. That's why companies are paying you high salaries compared to other technologies. No coding, very simple drag and drop tool. Many jobs are there which is related to artificial intelligence and machine learning, and there is high scope of getting the job. Very less number competition is there. And what else you need, guys, to start your career? So that's how this concepts RPA came into the picture. So in the starting, I worked as an independent contributor, guys, which means you should have to take care of all these roles and responsibilities. So I worked with many industries like banking industry, insurance industry, e-commerce, HR, telecom, logistics, manufacturing, healthcare, and finance, marketing, HR. So different industries I have worked with, and even I have done different automations like web automation, Excel, PDF, image, desktop, basic, and worked on different ticketing tools like ServiceNow, BMC, Remedy Force, and integrated with different ERP applications like SAP, Oracle, mainframes. So these are all different automations you can do, guys, using UiPath. So feel free in between, if you have any questions, you can feel free to unmute and you can ask us any questions. Okay. It's a kind of one-on-one session. Here nobody knows anyone. You all are independent here. So feel free to unmute and respond. Okay. If in between any questions, you can raise your hand otherwise. Right.
Good
Yes,
morning,
Shiva.
doctor. And
Yeah,
also
very good
you,
morning,
I
Shiva.
mean, yes, you mentioned that uh, you UiPath plus yeah, power automation. So
Power up.
you also provide advice in power automation.
Sorry, Shiva, your voice is not that much clear. So sorry. Yes, I will do provide training on three technologies, UiPath and Power Automation Cloud and desktop as well. In total, 45 days of course, 30 days is related to the completely because we have like Monday to Friday only, guys. Saturday, Sunday off. 45 days means 1.5 month. 1.5 means 6 weeks. 6 weeks means 6 weekends. So 45 minus 12, total 33. So I might will cover almost 32 to 33 classes. Every day session will be 2 hours of time. 1.5 to 2 hours of time. So total you will get more than 60 plus hours of content. So in the starting 25 classes, I'll explain your path. In the last 5 classes, I'll explain Power Automation Cloud and Power Automation Desktop. These three courses at same cost. In the market, you will get separated. Your path is separate cost, Power Automation is separate cost. But here, why I am telling this Power Automation for free of cost, which include in your path, because nowadays in all RPA tools, UiPath is trending and booming tool. All the companies are looking for UiPath. But now Microsoft is one of the leading technology becoming competitive to UiPath. So in interviews, along with UiPath, what else do you know? They're asking. So if you say that, even Microsoft Power Automation Cloud and Desktop, definitely your profile, we will get more weightage to your profile. That's why from last 4 to 5 batches, I'm explaining this Power Automation also includes for free of cost. Clear, Shiva?
Got it, Raghav. And also I
Right.
do have some knowledge on automation anyway, so that'd be helpful. Something.
Right. So many people joining my sessions, they are already working professionals. They are already from automation background, automation anywhere, Blue Prism, Kofax, and but why they are looking for UiPath training? Because nowadays all those remaining tools getting very less demand in the market. They are already having 5 to 6 plus years of vast experience. They have product knowledge. They have good hands-on experience, but they are not getting the calls if they want to switch their career. So they are coming and they are getting trained, on your path from me. And people who went on H1B to the US by picking their lotteries, and after going there, they are struggling down. If they have Blue Prism experience, they have other RPA automation tools, but they are not getting one call also for a month. So again, they are waking up or they're not sleeping at the late night and they are attending my classes and learning the subject. Because in US also little bit good industry, little bit good market for UiPath compared to other tools. Yes, Shiva, go ahead, please.
Yeah, Raghav.
Hi.
Madan Manohar, yes. Any question?
Yeah, hi Raghu. So, yeah, I just want to understand like what is the level of certification we will be through after this course?
So guys, actually in UiPath we have free certifications are there, paid certifications are there. So free certification like means directly we have a concept called academy. Directly your path has their own academy. From that academy we can learn and you can do the certifications for free of cost. In that one you have associate level is there, explorer level is there, professional level is there. So
Okay.
whatever I am giving you in that certification, it will combine three: automation explorer, associate, and developer professional. These three it will cover. Okay, you can become certified developer by covering all the three levels. In paid certifications you have separate: associate is separate, professional is separate. If you want to do the paid certification for associate, you should pay 15,000. For the developer professional you should pay 31,000. But that is paid, but I don't recommend to all of you. As you are a beginner and learner, you don't need to pay 31,000 and you don't need to do the certification in the starting stage. Okay, clear, Madan?
So is it makes difference with paid and free? Like
Of course. So paid is always paid, free is always free.
the value will be
So
more. Too. in the
Yes,
market?
of course. So if in your resume you can put that you are a professional certified. Nowadays companies are asking you which one you have done. Is it a free one or paid one? If you
Uh,
done some paid one, some companies are expecting some paid professional developers only. Because if you do the paid one, they will ask you by it's total 120 minutes of exam, which means 2 hours, and they'll give you 60 questions. In that
okay.
60 questions, they will cover around all the topics on your path: basics, variables, PDF automation, data scrapping, screen scrapping, input methods, Excel automation, web automation, document understanding,
Uh,
UiPath
all
ops,
these.
all the concepts they'll cover.
Okay.
So they want to check your technical aspects, technical skills on the subject. But in the
Okay.
free one, after every lesson, you will get one exam and you can take n number of attempts, and you can do it for free of cost. So of course, there will be some weightage for the paid certification. If you are interested, you can learn the subject and you can do some mock test. You can take some mock test also, guys, before taking the paid exam. Okay. So I can help you how to do that exam, how to schedule that exam and all. So guys, this is the UiPath Academy page. Okay. If you click on the learning plans, you able to see my screen, everyone?
Yes.
So if you observe, guys, this is the homepage of UiPath Academy. So if you click on learning plans, it can help you to take you to the certification plan. How many plans are there? Which one is recommended for all of you? Okay, right. So if you click on learning plan, see guys here total, how many are there? 26 courses are there. Okay. So what are all you can see? Process analyst. I don't want to become analyst. This is business analyst. I don't want to become business analyst. So directly they have mentioned specialized AI. If you want to do this, first you should do the associate and developer professional. This is infrastructure related, not related to us. And this is process mining, not for us. This is for business analyst professional. So I can help you by choosing the correct one. Okay. This is associate. This is explorer. This is communication mining. This is citizen developer. This is developer foundation. So in all these, we have a course with 84 hours of training, guys. See here, automation developer professional training, which will take almost 84 hours of time to complete this certification. So in my classes, every day I'm telling you 2 hours of class and minimum 1.5 to 2 hours on certification. 45 days per day, 2 hours, 45 into 2, 90 hours. If you invest per day 2 hours, within 90 days you can able to complete this 84 hours of certification. In this one, as I have told you, it can help you in a covering automation explorer, okay, automation associate developer, and then you will become professional also. Okay.
Okay.
So this is about the certification I'm going to help you all. And here, these are the paid certifications, guys. See, this is automation associate. If you want to take free test, you can take free test. And if you want to schedule your exam, you can schedule your exam by paying $150. See here, total, you should pay $150 per attempt. If you failed in first attempt, your money will be lose. Okay. And if you want to go for a developer professional, you should pay $354. 300 plus $54 tax. See, this is $354 plus tax. Okay. So these are all the paid and free one regarding the certifications, guys. So 1.5 to 2 hours of class, 2 hours of certification program, and minimum 1 to 2 hours of practice is required, because you already have some career gap. You already started your career in different technology, and now you want to switch the technology from that one to ID, complete technical. So definitely you should put some experience, no? You can change your existing experience and you should have to cover that experience. So how you will do that? Because after you joined in the organization, in the first week itself, you will get one project. Your client will give you some task. How you will do the task without hands-on experience? Some people will call me and they'll say, "Hey Raghu, first I will get the job. After that I will learn the subject." You got the job today, and in the afternoon you have a client call. They're asking you some questions. You cannot able to respond. Next day is your last working day. That's not the process, guys. First learn the subject, get confidence, and then no one can touch you. You can play with the companies, you can demand the packages. I want 30 lakhs, give me or not, I'll go for other company. Then companies will shock, Arey yaar, this is like, he is like hell, he is like demanding like anything, somebody is there, let's hire him. Otherwise every day you will feel scared, even in attending the calls, in attending interviews. Every day is a challenging for you. You don't know who will come and who will call you, who will give you the task when you don't have the subject. So don't do that mistake. It's a cyclic process, guys. First take some support from your family and friends. Take some, put some, give some concentration. Take 45 days of time. Put efforts every day, minimum 8 to 9 hours sitting in front of the laptop, because these many days already you passed the time by watching Instagram reels and all, doing time pass. But now it's time to settle down in your career. Minimum 10 plus lakhs of package. How you will get? You should put some efforts. Without putting the efforts, you don't expect the results, guys. Hey Raghu, I'm not getting the job. Okay, what you have done to get the job? I have not done anything. Are you not done anything? Then how you can expect the job? No one can call you and directly no one will give you the job. You should learn the subject, get hands-on experience, do some practice, do some certification, create profile, and share that profile in all social media, and start receiving the call from technical interviews, and start attending interview, get failed, learn something, and then you let you pass to first round of interview, second round of interview, system test cleared, and then HR round, client round, get the project, get some experience. It's a cyclic process, guys. Without doing directly, I want to get the job. How you will get the job? Okay, you will go from some backdoor, you will go from some proxy. Okay, you will get the job. Definitely you'll get the job. But how you will survive? That is a main thing, no? Getting the job is very easily in IT industry. Surviving in the IT industry is very important. Without having technical knowledge, every day is a challenging thing. Every day you will feel like I am not in the correct place, because you don't know what they're asking. You don't know how to do, how to develop, how to deliver, how to talk to them, how to understand the requirement, how to document it. You don't know how to phrase the email sentence. So you should get all these things, guys, technical and non-technical. Should be ready, should be fit for the job. Yeah, Sandeep, sorry,
Yeah, hi,
keep
yeah,
talking.
hi, Raghav.
Yes, please.
Yeah, actually, I'm a web developer, is it right time to shift to RPA path? Because I have hands-on experience on 9 years completely for UI developer.
How many years? Sorry.
9 years totally.
9 years. Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah, of course. So total 9 years of experience you have. Definitely
yeah,
you can switch down your existing technology to this RPA. I recommend you to put at least 2.5 to 3 years of experience in your out of 9 years. So you're starting 6 years as an UI developer, and last
okay,
3 years you should put you have experience on UiPath, and then
okay,
start attending the calls.
sure, thank you.
And you can expect minimum 40 to 50 percentage of hike, guys, because in software industry there is a rule. If you have 5 years of experience, your minimum package should be into 2 lakhs. Years of experience into 2 of number. If you have 8 years of experience, you should have package of 16 lakhs. If you have 10 years, you should have 20 lakhs. That is like normal basic standard in IT industry. But in RPA industry, you can expect into 3 number. If you have 5 years, you can expect 15 lakhs of package. If you have 10 years of experience, definitely you should be received minimum 30 plus lakhs of package. Okay, for example, now I don't have that much confidence, Raghu. I want job. I am not looking for the package. Okay, get the job with less package, get some work, deploy some project into live, and after 1 year again start looking for the job. If you are getting good promotion and hike, good expectation, good recognition, then continue. Otherwise, you are not in the correct place. Again, let's switch the job. Because companies are ready to pay you. If you have 10 years, you're ready to pay you 30 lakhs. Okay, as of now, you have 20 lakhs of package only. First, get some package of 24 to 25 lakhs, and then again get some counter offer. Let them know I have already 25 lakhs of package. My current CTC is 20. I am looking for 30. If you are ready to give me, I'll join. Companies are ready to pay you guys. The RPA trending market is into 3 now. Yes, Mr. Anil Kumar Rauri, please go ahead. Any question?
Yes, actually, are you going to cover the latest technologies like LLM and next gen AI capabilities? And
Yes, guys.
do you have any document
Regarding
which?
the yes, I do have. I'll show you. Is my screen visible, everyone?
Yes.
So this is our website, guys. Our training name is RPA Vault. You can go through the course curriculum by here. Okay. If you click the course details, you just need to enter some basic details. Raghava Tadikonda. So this is my number, guys. If you don't have number, you can take down my number. And this is my email address. If you click on course details, so these are all my certifications, guys, as I have told you. And these are all my previous demo videos. And this is to join my WhatsApp and Telegram groups. And these are a lot of the reviews you can find out my previous student reviews, what they're telling you about my courses, and frequently asked questions. And even you can find out my digital credentials, guys, that whether my certifications are genuine or fake one. Okay. This is about myself and this is about the course content. So guys, today is part of the first demo class, today and tomorrow, free demo classes. Today I'm going to cover introduction, RPA tools, overview of RPA tool, RPA versus testing tools. Tomorrow I'll explain you all why the companies are paying you high salaries, what they're expecting from you, what you can expect from them, what is the difference between the traditional software engineers to RPA consultants. And in the coming classes, I will help you all in installing UiPath software and everything. Guys, my sessions are for the beginners who wants to start their career. They don't know anything. They are coming up with some zero knowledge. Okay, so I can help them in the starting classes, like how to install this free software and how to start the certification from the day one, and what is the overview of complete product knowledge. And we'll start with variables, arguments, input and output methods, Excel automation, workbook automation, data table activities, action center, selectors, web automation, string manipulation, PDF, loops, control flows, exception handling, object repository, modern design, automation hub, document understanding, integration services, and genetic AI. Okay, I have not updated those latest innovations of UiPath, but I do have some technical presentations, and along with some video recordings also, because as we don't have licenses for all the latest innovations, but I do have, this is related to the Gen AI activities, so related to integration services, different technologies. I do have the recordings which what I don't have the licenses to show you in the practical, but I can show you in helping theoretical. Okay, so in terms of your path, concept wise presentation documentations I do have. So this is to process analyst documentation. Okay, and use cases I have, and this is automation, autopilot test manager documentation. This is agentic AI documentation. Okay, so like this all latest and trending technologies I'll cover. And what are all other topics I'm going to cover in terms of UiPath innovation. So guys, after this basic classes, I'll cover advanced topics like attend RE framework, with queues, without queues, assets, triggers, how to deploy attended and unattended bots, how to upload and download code from orchestrator, global exception handler, and how the real-time documentation looks like in real time after you join in the company. What are all the documents you should have to deal with, and how to prepare, how the template looks like, and end-to-end project explanation, how I'm doing it in the real time. Okay, and after end-to-end project explanation in advanced topics, we'll cover Microsoft Power Automation Desktop, Microsoft Power Automation Cloud, what are the different types of workflows and all. And then I can help you in mock interviews, help you in preparing resume preparation guidance, and creating Naukri, LinkedIn, how to apply, and what are all the topics I'll cover concept wise, and special guidance for the freshers and non-IT people, that how to prepare the resume, mock interview, multiple mock sessions, how to use Outlook application, how to use Teams, how to use GitHub mechanism, how to use ChatGPT, how to survive in the industry. And guys, every student we will concentrate one on one every day. We will take down, note down the attendance, how many are you attending the sessions every day, not attending, how many are you able to do the practice, all the tasks are completed or not, each and every student. Okay, all these will track down. I do have my team, they will track down all your attendance, all your task notes, whether you are doing practice every day or not. Okay, so these all are about I'm going to cover. And about the latest innovations, guys, this is official UiPath website. As I have told you, this UiPath is a free of cost open source tool and technology. Anyone can download and install for free of cost. Anyone can learn for free of cost, and anyone can become professional certified for free of cost. Okay, so to become, even if you want to become, nowadays everyone is saying about agentic AI in your path. If you want to learn that agentic AI, first of all, you have the basic knowledge on RPA, basic knowledge on your path. Okay. If you want to have the basic knowledge, then only you can go for the agentic automation. Okay. So related to the products. So what are all the different products in your path we have, guys? Okay. In discovery phase, we have process mining, task mining, communication mining, and automation hub. I'm going to teach you all about the automation hub in detail with practical implementation, but I don't have the licenses for this. I'll give you the overview, high level, in terms of process mining, task mining, and communication mining. In terms of automation, automate, I can help you in teaching UiPath Studio Guide, UiPath Integration Services, UiPath Robot, Document Understanding, and Assistant. Okay. Regarding marketplace, regarding remaining autopilot, clipboard, action center, data service, and all, I'll give you the high level overview because I don't have the licenses. And in terms of operation, I can help you in orchestrator. Okay, and remaining test manager, automation of size, insights, and all, I'll give you the overview. Okay, I'm not telling you I'll teach you each and every product, every innovation, everything with practical. Okay, so whatever I'm telling, I have already explained you very clear in my course content. You can go through my course content after the class. Okay, clear, Mr. Or Anil Kumar?
Yes, yeah. Uh, how many end-to-end projects are you going to cover in this course? Like,
So every day, for example, today, Excel automation, I'll cover one project, web automation, one project, PDF automation, one project, document understanding, one project. Like that, we'll start introduction of the concept. We'll explain in-depth concept, and then we'll cover the project. Like that, we'll cover project concept-wise projects. Other than that, I'll give you more than 25 to 30 projects to get hands-on experience, and I'll try to explain at least 6 to 7 projects end to end, the normal general projects, like to get some hands-on experience. Other than that, we have a best websites to practice our tasks. We have a best website called bots DNA. So this is completely, for the practice purpose. So how to practice and all, I'll explain. For example, I want to go for this kind of active notary services. So here, if you download the input file, so you have the input data here. Okay, so once you downloaded and open the input file, what you should do for the practice, so bot should copy the data from here, come back to the website, and enter the name of the advocate. and area of practice. You can get that input details from area of practice from here and enter the data here. And then just click on submit notary. Then what you will do, you will get number, transaction number. Copy this number, come back to the Excel and update the number here. Which means here what we are covering, how to open the file, how to open the web application, and how to get the data from the Excel when you have some rows of transactions, how to get the transaction from each and every current row, how to enter the data into the navigate back to the website, entering the data on the website, click on submit, how to get that response, how you will scrape the response, and again how you will update the data here. So this is like one of the website like practicing. Okay, like this we have so many practical websites are there for the hands-on experience. So I can cover some concepts from this website, and even I can help you in covering some websites called like RPA samples. For example, if you provide some name, okay, Raghava, 1 month June, get some unicorn number, copy this unicorn number and paste it in Excel. So these all are like multiple websites are there for the practice. So I'll give you practice exercises. I'll give you directly projects for the practice by sharing my compressed zip files. Okay, so non-model one projects. See, these all are the different projects I do have. I'll share all these projects. I'll share all these practical examples. Okay, clear, Anil?
Yeah, got it. Just one last question. Okay,
Yes,
after
please. No
after the
worries.
training, if I get the interview and if they got 10 questions, if I don't know answer for 5 questions, can I ask you and or can I expect a help from you?
Absolutely, that is what I'm telling. See, in interview, first of all, where we are getting failed in terms of theoretical knowledge, if you sit in front of the soft copy reading, if you sit 2 days, definitely you will get all the theoretical subject, guys. When you will get failed, when you are facing scenario based questions, when you say some project explanation, they'll ask you what are the challenges you are facing in this project. You don't have answer, you don't know what to say, then they will get you caught immediately. Arey yaar, you are telling that you developed this project, but if I ask some questions, you are not able to respond because you know theoretical knowledge, but you don't know practical knowledge. That if they ask you some question, what are the challenges you faced and how you overcome the challenges, you don't know that. And scenario based questions, we cannot predict what type of scenario based questions they will ask. At that time, whatever they have in their mind, they will ask you that question. They want to check your technical expertise levels. Definitely, I can help you in taking all those questions. I can help you in clearing all those. You can note down some list of questions by taking in interviews. You can go through the forum website. You can take n number of scenario based questions, n number of practical things, and how to handle the system test. Guys, in interview, they will give you the system test also. They'll ask you to share the screen. They'll ask you to share the screen like this. You should open the UiPath Studio and you should do some practice. You should do some practical exercises in the interview. Okay. So I can teach you, I can guide you how to handle those, practical scenarios. What are the shortcuts? What are the tips and tricks? Okay. To cover those easily. Any more
Hi, Raghav.
question? Anyone?
One more question,
Yes.
Raghav. May I know the work process in the office? See, in coming to UI developer, we have some get working from BA or PM. I need to submit the task by end of the day. So coming
Right.
to UiPath, what is the work process? Well, having experience on that.
So that actually will cover this roles and responsibilities concept tomorrow. But as you have asked on a high level, I will explain. Okay. So guys, as I have told you, if you are a Java developer, .NET developer, or testing background and all, you have some Agile methodology. You have a Scrum Master. You have a sprint plan. You should write storyboards. You should every day dealing with some story points. You should work on that points and you should update the task in Jira, and you should attend daily calls. What you have done, you should share your status, what you have done yesterday, what you are going to do today, what is your next week plan, whether are you able to meet the deadlines or not, whether are you able to deliver the project within the timeline or not. These are the day-to-day responsibilities, right? But coming to this UiPath RPA consultant, why we are calling as a consultant? Because you are the only person working with the client from scratch to end, understanding the requirement, collecting the requirement, checking the feasibility, analyze the process, whether can we do this process automation or not, is this process really fit for the can automation or not. Okay, so all these things you should analyze, you should document it, you should develop, you should test it, you should deploy, you should monitor, you should support, you should do change request. So these all will be your roles and responsibilities. In depth life cycle I'll explain you in tomorrow's class. Okay,
Yeah.
so
Thank you.
these
Thank
are
you.
your roles and responsibilities. That's why companies are paying you more salaries, because you are the one doing all those jobs. You are doing solution architect job, you are doing business analyst job, you are doing developer technical consultant job, you are doing tester job, you are doing support job. That's why all those salaries you are getting if you really learn good. Okay, but I'm not saying that this is the same process in all the organizations. Okay, some companies they will, like some companies they are looking for independent contributors, and some companies they will give you as a team structure. Okay, if you join, you might have business analyst, you might have solution architect, you might have lead, you might have tester, you might have support team. But in interview, if you say that you have experience as an independent contributor, then only you will get selected. So you should know each and every roles and responsibilities of the job, that I can help you in sharing all template and explaining each and every role in depth. Okay,
Yeah.
any
Thank
more
you.
questions, anyone? Or can we continue? Right, let's continue, guys. Okay, yeah, Murli Krishna,
Hi,
please.
hi Raghava. Uh,
Hello.
like, will you cover any real-time projects? Like,
Yes, just now I told I'll cover real-time projects as well.
okay,
See
like,
here, course content, as I have mentioned, end-to-end project real-time code explanation. What I'm doing currently in my project, what is the process requirement, how to do it and all, I'll explain end-to-end. That is the difference
will you?
between offline classes and online classes from a professional certified trainer to the normal person, and
Okay.
paid trainings versus free trainings. Yeah.
Okay, will you include, like, will you explain regarding virtual machines like that?
Virtual machine setup, yes, I'll explain, but I don't
Okay.
record those sessions
Okay. Okay.
because it is a like a kind of a personal, no. So I can explain how to
Okay.
log into the virtual machine, how to connect to the
Mm,
VPN, which VPN, how to get
mm,
those details. In industry, how they can give you the development
yeah.
environment, quality environment, production environment, how to log into the
Yeah.
development virtual machine, whether are we using remote desktop connection or VMware Horizon or Citrix, how to test, how
Mm,
to deploy package from here to this environment to production one, how to run the bots, how the bots will run, how to monitor and all, will explain.
okay.
Yeah,
Okay. Thank you.
Raghav,
thank
one
you.
quick question.
Yes.
Uh, as I already discussed with you, like I'm working in some current organization. So we have a RPA to develop for the Salesforce applications. So that is also, I mean, your training would help me to automate in Salesforce, Oracle.
I cannot explain you related to the Salesforce because I don't have the licenses for the Salesforce one. But I
Mm,
can help you how to get connect with Salesforce. Like, see here, these are all the activities related to the Salesforce, guys. Okay,
okay.
so you might have already know how to download file, how to add the file, how to create account, how to update, how to create, how to upload the file, HTTP request, so triggers, account created, record updated, marketing cloud. All these are activities related to the technologies. We have activities. For
Okay.
example, you want to go for service now. Some candidate asked, hey Raghu, I am working on service now. Can you help me in explaining service now? So we have, see, this is all the activities related to the service now. Hey Raghu, for example, I'm working on YouTube. Can you have explain anything related to the YouTube? Yes. Hey Raghu,
Uh,
we have activities on WhatsApp. Yes, we do have activities on WhatsApp. Hey Raghu, we have something related to the text messages. We have activities related to the text messages. So like this, your path is trending like anything because how it is ruling the RPA industry, because it is integrating like anything, whatever the industry you are from background. Okay, see here, guys. These are all the available application services. Act 365, Adobe, Amazon, these many Amazon products, Asana, Azure Directory, Azure Maps, Bamboo HR, Box, Calendly, even some applications, even we don't know some technologies. But still, these many technologies and services UiPath is helping us to provide, getting interacted with them. Twitter, X, YouTube, Zoom, Joho Desk, Gendex. These are all the technologies you can integrate and you can automate. Even some technologies, if they don't mention also, no problem. You will get the subject that how to connect with them. Okay.
okay.
I cannot teach you each and every technology integration, but I can help you how to get connected, whether irrespective of industry, irrespective of application, irrespective of automation, but you will get the subject that confidence, how to get connected with that. What are all the parameters it is expecting from us to provide to get connected with the third party application.
No, I just want to understand like the methodology will be same with every platform.
Yes,
Okay.
correct, correct.
Thank you.
Yeah. And guys, let's continue. So as I'm telling you all, so why we are all here to learn the subject called guys RPA. What is the full form of RPA guys? Robotic process automation. Okay. So what is the full form of robotic process automation and what is the definition? When I say about robot, when I say what is process, when I say automation, immediately you guys think like when I say some robot, what you will think? Hey, wow, Raghu, you are telling robots. They will say like it is a physical robot, but we are not discussing related to the physical robots, guys. Okay, you cannot touch this robot, you cannot feel this robot. It is just a piece of code, it is just a software. Okay, I'm not preparing some kind of a physical robot. Okay, I'm not going to prepare any physical robot. We are going to install a software which you cannot see, that which you cannot touch it, you cannot feel it. So it is just a piece of code. We are going to install that software in our laptop. And what is the meaning of process, guys? Process. Can anyone say that process?
Sequence of steps.
Excellent. Some set of rules, some sequence of steps are there. So rule based steps. So when you are doing same sequence of steps every day from 15 to 20 years, you are not doing any new job. Every day going to office, opening the laptop, log into the office network and opening the client's data, copying the data, processing the data, preparing the report, send the report. Every day going to office, open the bag, open laptop, copy the data, process it, send it. This is repetitive job you are doing. Nowadays, to perform this kind of jobs, we don't need human beings. That's where this automation concept came into the picture. That's why nowadays human beings are replaced with robots because of this concept, because of this technology. If you are doing repetitive job, then definitely your job will be replaced by a robot in future. If you are a technical developer, if you are doing something new which is not there, then only your job is safe and secure. But if you are doing job as a support person, that you are not doing something new, you are not going to create something new, you are just doing same repetitive job, copying the data, processing it, sending the report. Then nowadays we don't need those people, guys, because you are doing the same task. We will train those same set of tasks to the robots, and then we'll ask to run the bot. Automatically, that job will do by the bot. We don't need human beings. Once our robot is live, immediately all those set of people, for example, there is a process every day, 10 people are working on that support process. Once our robot is in live, all 10 people will lose their jobs because your task is doing by the robot. You are working only 8 to 9 hours per day, but our robots are working for 24 by 7. Every day you are just out of 9 hours also you are working maximum 4 to 5 hours only. Remaining 4 hours are to eating, meeting the calls, go for lunch, go for tea break, coffee break, go for a stretch, walk around, talk around with friends, colleagues. Those 4 hours of job can replace by the bot with 30 minutes because robots will work very fast, not like a human being. No, if you give proper power supply, if you give proper license, if you give proper infra setup, if you give proper access, then robot will work like anything. If you do a job for 4 hours, robot can do the same job within 30 minutes. Out of 24 hours of time in robot hand, a normal employee who is working for 9 hours per day, that person out of 9 hours maximum they'll do genuine work of 4 to 5 hours. That 4 to 5 hours job is doing by the bot within 30 minutes of time. Out of 24 hours of time in the robot hand, it is just consuming 30 minutes of time only to complete that human being task. Still we have 23 and a half hours of time in the robot. So you can imagine how many tasks we can automate, how many processes we can automate with one robot. Then you can imagine how many robots we can create, how many processes we can automate. If you go and consider a bank, when you go and open an account, opening account is just half an hour of task. But how about the remaining task? In the back end, they should send you passbook, they should send you checkbook, they should create an login account, web account, net banking credentials, they should send you debit card, they should send you credit card. By noting all these details, who is doing all these jobs? When you go for insurance, health insurance, personal insurance, four-wheeler insurance, within fraction of seconds, your insurance getting created. But how many jobs are there in the back end? How many details you should have to enter? How many details they should have to store? Logistics. One product is getting dispatched from one location to another one. Each and everywhere you are getting updates. In the back end, how many jobs are running? So all these are repetitive manual tasks only, guys. Nowadays, we don't need these people to do this such kind of repetitive manual tasks. Everywhere, we are going like anything. Replace those people. Save the money, save the money, save the time for the client. So that's why everybody is looking for automation, guys. It's related to the AI technology. It's not a small thing that you are replacing human beings. Because of you, some people is going to lose the job. Okay, so process is nothing but some set of rules, some set of repetitive manual tasks, some set of rule based tasks. Okay, we are going to automate such kind of rule based tasks. Okay, so all these things we can say process. Robot means it's a piece of code to install in our laptops and desktop, which we cannot touch it or feel it. How about automation, guys? What is meaning of automation? Automation is nothing but mimicking the user actions. Whatever the human beings are doing, we are doing the same. Mimicry artist, right? What mimicry artists do? Whatever I'm telling, he will repeat the same. He will do mimics. Whatever human beings are doing, the robots are doing the same. That's how it will do. We should train it. That is my job, consultant job. Understand the requirement gathering from the client, prepare the document, do the development, do the testing, train the bot, run the bot, remove the jobs. Okay. Clear everyone so far? So guys, we have more than 50 plus RPA tools are available in the market. Oh wow, Raghu, these many tools are available. So which tool we should learn? Which tool is the easiest tool? Which tool is the hardest tool to learn? If I learn this tool, will I get the job or not? Okay, you are saying this is easy, but how about job? You're learning easy, but you should get the job. No, then what is the use in learning easiest tool? Okay, Raghu, if I learn this tool, how much of package I can get? Okay, so guys, the top most trending tool in RPA, we are not going to learn anything in RPA, guys. RPA is just a definition, it's a concept name. Okay, we are going to learn something in RPA, that is a tool. Okay, the top most trending tool is UiPath. We are going to learn UiPath, and then Microsoft Power Automation Cloud, Microsoft Power Automation Desktop, and then we have competitor tool which is Blue Prism, and then we have Automation Anywhere, and then we do have Kofax, and then we have Pega OpenSpan. Okay, like this we have 50 plus tools are available in the market, guys. Okay, so I'll show you some of the tools. Yeah. Okay, so guys, these are a lot of the tools, guys. So here if you observe, you have Path, Automation Anywhere, Blue Prism, Work Fusion. These are the very core RPA capabilities. For example, if you have some front office desk automation, then you can go for nice, excellent, connotate, contextual variant. If you want to go for some BPM, business process management, then Pega OpenSpan, Be Informed. If you want to go for ERP, then Redwood, Kapow. Then we have some other access to sourcing decisions, Open Connect, AU, Remilia. So these are all different tools, guys. Okay, but we should have to learn with very core capabilities, which is UiPath. So I'm a professional certified in UiPath, Automation Anywhere, and Pega OpenSpan and Microsoft Power Automation. Okay, so that is about the tool. And as I have told you, what are all the advantages, guys, in UiPath? First thing, low code, no code. Robots can work for 24 by 7. Robots can help you in cost cutting, which means human beings are losing their jobs, which means client are saving the money, right? Time saving and productivity is getting increased. No, people are doing the job for 4 hours. The robot is doing for half an hour. Still, we have 23 and a half hours of time. Okay, and the most advantage is no errors. Robots don't do no mistakes. It won't do any mistakes. It won't do any errors because it is a bot. However you train, it will do the same. The human being, definitely based on our mind perceptions, we might have done some mistakes, but robots don't do any mistakes. Okay, so these are a lot of the advantages, guys. And we have RPA versus testing tools. So many people think like these RPA tools are nothing but testing tools, but not at all. These tools are testing tools. This is an development automation drag and drop tool, simple drag and drop tool. Okay, it is not at all a testing tool, guys. Testing is different. What we are doing with testing, If the developers develop some code, testers will write the test cases. They will execute by providing some wrong dummy data. They will test all the executing all the test cases, all the test cases done, get the testing approvals, then they will deploy the application into the live. That is testing. What we are doing, are we doing any testing here? Our application is already in live from long time, 15, 20, 30 years. Already application is there. We are just automating those existing application which is already in live with help of this robot. See how much of difference is there. So if anyone say that UiPath is testing, no, not at all. It's not at all testing tool. This is a development automation drag and drop tool. We are going to automate the existing applications which are already in live. Okay. Next. Another one you have in testing we have Selenium, right? In testing you have UFT. In testing you have manual. In testing we have ETL. In automation we have SAP. SAP also we have automation, guys. In Excel also we have automation. But all those automations we have some limitations. But this RPA we don't have any limitation. We can automate any type of industry. We can automate any type of application. See here, they have explained very clearly. If you go through the UiPath website, see here platform solutions by industry. How many industries are in automating? Banking, healthcare, insurance, public sector, manufacturing. How about the department? Supply chain, finance, accounting, HR, QR, contact center. By technology, you can integrate AWS, Google Cloud, Microsoft, SAP. So these are all the solutions we have by industry, by department, by technology, irrespective of any industry, guys. Any application we can automate. We don't have any limitations. That's why all the companies are looking for automation. All the people are they wants to save some money and time. Okay, that's why everybody is looking for automation. That's why it is one of the easiest tool, but nobody knows about this tool in IT industry. Out of 100 people, if you go and ask what is RPA, what is UiPath, out of 195 people doesn't know about these tools. But these are very trending and emerging technologies. Okay, let's have some W based questions, guys. So who discovered this UiPath? From where it came? When it came? Where is the headquarters in India? Where it is? Who is the CEO? All these questions. Okay. So guys, UiPath CEO name is Daniel Dainis. He is a Romanian. He is from Bucharest. Okay. I met CEO of UiPath 2 times. And it came in the year 2005, which means almost 20 years before. But it became success from the year 2017. Okay. Now UiPath is leading in the industry. Now the previously headquarters is in Bucharest. Now headquarters is in USA. In India, headquarters is in Bangalore. Okay. And the topmost badge in UiPath is UiPath MVP. We have so many UiPath MVPs are there in the market, but I am UiPath official certified trainer. Okay. So yesterday they have released UiPath MVPs list. Okay. So these are all the UiPath MVPs, guys. So many people ask me, here, Raghu, why don't you apply for the UiPath MVP job? I don't want to go for UiPath MVP because they have something is there. Let me show you that. See, guys, these are all the people, guys. These are all UiPath MVPs from 4 years, 5 years, 3 years, 2 years, 1 year for fresher as an MVP. But whatever they don't have, whatever I have is UiPath certified trainer, like which is very, very most important into 10 times powerful of that MVP one. Because in the world, only 20 to 22 people are there, only the professional certified trainers. And from India, from Hyderabad, I am the one. From Mumbai, Mukesh Kala. From Chennai, I think it's Palaniappan. So from different regions, we have like very limited people, certified official trainers on UiPath. So if you become MVP, you should always do all the things for free of cost. But in free of cost teachings, they cannot explain you everything as full. because free is always free. That's why I don't encourage the freebies. Of course, you can go through the YouTube, you can learn this UiPath for free of cost by opening any of the playlist. But we don't get that commitment. If you start open YouTube, after 15-20 minutes, your friend will call you. Your friend will keep on sending you snaps. Your friend keep on sending you sharing the reels. That's it. Our mind will divert. Our dopamine will get activated, and you will start addict to watching reels and all. Simply wasting hours on hours sitting on those. So my suggestion is, if you are looking for a job, you want to settle down, first uninstall Instagram, Snapchat and all. Only keep only WhatsApp, and put all your negative energies, negative forces. If you say to your friend or someone, hey, I'm learning this tool course, hey, no, yeah, don't go. It's a waste of time. They don't want you to settle down because they did not settle down. If class started, they'll keep you asking, hey, is the class started? What they're telling? Can you please share me recording? They don't get access to the recording. So put down all, come with a fresh mind, settle down on you all your disturbances, come with proper laptop, working condition, proper Wi-Fi, proper commitment, guidance, 45 days of time in your life, proper support. Sit down in some clean and clear environment, no disturbances. You are attending the class, someone is watching TV with high sound, kids are playing around, they keep poking you. It doesn't work out, guys. Concentrate, listen, attend, get some knowledge, practice, do practice, put more efforts, and then only expect the result. Of course, you might get the job without doing all these things also. That is a different thing. You might have proper good luck with that one. Okay. Any more questions, anyone? We have 3 minutes left. Let's go to the course content. RPA testing tools, industries, automation types. So guys, as I have told you, we have different industries like nowadays implementing these RPA in mostly banking industries, and we have insurance domains, and we have medical, and then we have manufacturing, and then we have retail industries, we have logistics industries, we have oil and gas industries, we have HR domains, okay, and we have telecom, we have finance, we have retail, okay. All these industries nowadays implementing RPA, guys, okay. And we have different automations in UiPath, like we have web automation, we have Excel automation, we have PDF automation, we have image automation, we have desktop, we have basic, we have Citrix, we have SAP, we have Oracle, we have mainframes, we have ServiceNow, anything, not what not. You can give your name. You can give your name, I'll give you. Okay, right. Any more questions, anyone? Yes, Mr. Murali Krishna, please.
Raghuva,
Yes.
what will be the class timings?
So class timings will be today and tomorrow demo classes morning 8 to 9:30, and
Okay.
actual from Friday or from the next coming Monday, actual sessions will start. I'll keep you posted. If you don't have my number, please ping me in WhatsApp. I can add you in the group. I will share all the updates about the group, about the classes, when it is going to start, the actual classes. Okay. And the actual classes will be from morning 7:30 to 9 a.m, guys. Daily 7:30 to 9:30, daily 1.5 to 2 hours, Monday to Friday, Saturday, Sunday, holiday. Okay. But I will give you multiple tasks even to cover in the weekends also, guys. Completely, I want you to all to sit in front of the laptop first. Start sitting in front of laptop for 8 to 9 hours, because after you join in the organization, you should in front of sit in front of laptop for 9 hours, right? So if you start practicing these 45 days, then you will get habituated. Any questions?
Raghav, any possibility that we can end up the session by 9? every
by
day?
9.
Yeah.
7:30 to 9 maximum. But still, if the topic is interested, if you keep asking me the questions, if you have any questions, then guys, after every class starting, I will ask some questions from the previous classes, which will help you to face the interview. So for example, yesterday we have discussed about input methods. So next class morning, I'll ask you, hey Dharani, what are all the input methods? Whatever you remember, you can say. At that time, you can evaluate. Arya, yesterday only he told me that whether I'm able to remember or not, I can able to recollect or not. Today's topic you can explain tomorrow. But how about the same question if I asked you after 10 days, after 20 days, whether you can able to recollect or not? Then you can evaluate. Maximum class 7:30 to 9. After last 15-20 minutes, it will be kind of Q&A. It will be kind of recap. It will be kind of a doubt session. Okay.
Okay.
Right. Any more questions, anyone? Hello, can you hear me, guys? Hello.
Yeah, we
Hello,
can
can
hear
you hear
you.
me, guys?
Yes, Raghav, we can hear you.
Yeah. Yeah, Pon Reddy, go ahead, man. You have raised your hand. Do you have any questions? You are not audible if you are talking. Next.
Raghu, I just want to make sure with you if I missed already, if already told. Is there any way that you can send the
Sorry.
recording to this the class?
Yeah. After this class, you please ping me in WhatsApp. I can share you in sharing the recording session of today's class.
Not about this, even though if we started the
And
classes
as I
every
have,
day, if we missed that, we lost your audio.
how can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you now.
See, after the class, immediately you will get the recorded session. See, this is my last class, 25th January. These are my previous classes, September, March, November, May, April, and all. See, this is my existing class. Today morning also, we have completed our class a few hours ago. This is the recording class. These are all the recordings you will get automatically. And these all are my previous batch, which is January batch. So every day after the class, every day I will share you recording link. Hi, please join at 7 a.m. Please join at 8 a.m. with recording link. Of once completed, I'll share. Hey, class 26 recording uploaded, and daily sharing the class notes, daily sharing the content with all of them by taking the email addresses, by sharing all the updates with all of them, by share sample resumes, all everything. Okay.
Yeah,
So this is
okay.
January batch, different batches.
Got it, got it. And one more question, if you don't mind.
Yes.
Can we install UiPath and practice on a Mac? Is that possible
Yes, you
or
can do, but you should install some cross-platform. Then only you can install UiPath on the cross-platform. Maybe you can install any Linux or Ubuntu or any other class cross-platform. In that one, again, you should install Windows, and in that one, you can install this one. Not like directly.
okay, got it. And final question.
Yeah, no
It may
problem. And
sound
open for
bad.
questions.
Yeah. Actually, I have
Even I like bad
experience
questions.
with like yeah, funny. Yeah, I have hands-on experience about like almost 5 years. When I was in India, I moved to masters. I came to America in 2022, but I don't have any experience after that. And a lot of upgrades happened and a migration happened. I was working on Automation Anywhere V11, but when I was trying to recollect all the experience that I have, couldn't be able to because there are a lot of changes, right? Happen
Correct.
in past. How hard this is to learn UiPath compared to Automation Anywhere?
Yeah, it's a good question, guys. So, guys, as I have told you, Out of all these RPA tools, this automation anywhere is the very easiest tool to learn. Okay, you can learn this tool within 7 days. But
True.
how about the job? We don't have that much of jobs in the market now. Okay, and this is like moderate, guys. It's not that much complexity. It's not that much easy. Okay, I can help you how to learn the tool with very easily with my experiences. Okay, and coming to the Blue Prism, it's little bit complex tool to learn. Okay, but how about the jobs? Let's search for the jobs, guys. Okay, the last question, good question. Like once you learn the technology, okay, now you are looking for the job. So how many jobs are there in the market? Just search UiPath. We have many keywords. You can enter UiPath developer, RPA developer, robotic process automation, RP lead. But I'm not giving all the keywords. I want to go for 3 years of experience. See total how many? 2,300 jobs are there. Out of these 2,300, you might have only looking for only need one job, no? Only look for that, guys. Simply your friend says, "Arey yaar, we don't have any openings." Arey, how many jobs you need, guys? You need one job. We have these many jobs. Don't follow simply, the words if someone's saying. Go into the raw fact. Look into the fact. Go in depth. Clear, Mr. Venkat?
Yeah, it's clear.
So now what you are doing now? You working on automation anywhere now?
No. I've been trying to get a job on automation anywhere, but it didn't happen. There's no like
So you went 22, you mastered, graduated in
I
24. So
graduated in
from last
24.
1 year, you last one
Yeah,
year you are
looking
looking for
for
the
the
job.
jobs. Yeah.
And now we don't have proper part times after the Trump came, facing so many issues.
Yeah,
We're
things
in
are
a dilemma to continue in US or come back to India again to start career here.
true.
So many questions.
One of
Yes, I
your
can
students
understand.
referred me to you.
Sorry?
One of your students referred me to your
Oh,
classes.
great.
His name is Sai Krishna.
Sai Krishna.
Yeah.
Sai Krishna.
He got
Okay.
placed
Yeah,
in
yeah.
sales.
Yes, I know. Even I do have some connections, guys. I do have some marketing team, so where they can help you. If you are in US, whoever my past 1,000 plus, I started my career in training with giving the training for the US people only in 2017 at the time. Then with that positive talk, with that support and all, I started expanding my teaching things across the globe with multiple time zones. Even in the future coming, I don't want to strict only for this UiPath and RPA tools. I am expanding my RPA world journey by giving the opportunities to the people who are interested in taking the classes. And even I am extending the trainings for all the technologies: Java, .NET, Python, Selenium, testing, UFT, manual, for all. So actually present my website is in construction under the development. So once my site completed, I am going to announce officially that I'm going to start all the technologies trainings, not only UiPath. So I want to give freelancing things. So for example, Venkat, you are interested in giving some training on automation anywhere, but you don't know where to start, when to start, how to start. I am here to help you, guide you how to start. I'll give you, I can help you in getting the leads. So just once class started, come and give the session and go. Remaining everything I'll take care of. If you have interest, if you have bandwidth, if you know how to teach, then I'm ready. I'm ready to hear. I'm here to help you to kickstart. Yeah. Any
Yeah,
more
got
questions?
it.
Yeah. You can ping me, Venkat. We can have a call after this training.
Yeah, sure.
Hi, Likita. Any questions, Likita? Next, Jesse. Hey, Jesse, you raised your hand.
Hi,
Hey, Jesse.
Raghav. Yeah.
Hi. You
Um.
are a sister of Nisi, right?
Yeah.
Okay, great.
Yes.
Convey my
So I
congratulations to
was.
your sister that recently got married.
Yeah. Surely. Actually, I was looking for RPA job as a fresher, but I didn't find it anywhere.
Yeah, the bad luck is in RPA, guys. I am not saying that we don't have jobs in RPA for freshers. We have jobs, but you should know how to search it. You should know how to apply for the fresher jobs. You should know how to start looking for the jobs. Then definitely you have the jobs, but you don't have that much of jobs like have a experienced persons. You have jobs, but you should know how to look. That's it. So as
Okay,
I have
I
told you, you
I
can follow my
need
page.
help.
Yeah, definitely,
Yeah, I
definitely I
need
can help you.
help in the specific aspect.
Definitely I can give you all my experiences, thoughts, contacts, connections, HRs, everything who is going to give you freelancing opportunities and all I can show.
Okay,
Yeah, thank you.
thank you.
Hi, Ann. How's the session, Ann? All clear, Ann and Brian. Next, Sushma. Hi, Sushma. Your full name, Sushma?
Sushma Ravish.
Sushma, sorry.
Ravish.
Every batch actually one Sushma will join, guys. I have see Sushma, Raj, Rangu, Sadda, Nammi. That's why I thought like Sushma Boga, one of the student is looking for from 3 to 4 batches. You are the one,
It's,
Sushma Boga?
it's me.
Oh, okay.
Because I'm
Right.
the time for me to join now. So for sure I'll be
Final,
joining for this.
finally, the day came to join and start. After many
Finally.
barriers.
Yeah.
Right.
Now I'm
Okay.
making time to join for sure. I just want to
I'm
postpone whatever I have
I'm
now.
expecting the same. I'm expecting the same. If
Sure,
you
sure.
don't, again, if you come up with some reason, even I don't tell you when my next batch will start.
No. I'll be joining for sure now.
Right.
Thank you.
Next, Kirti Chandan. Yeah, no worries. Kirti Chandan, hi.
Hi, Raghu.
So I thought like you already working professional. You referred by Raghu Kalgur, right?
Yes, Raghu.
Okay. So you wanna start? You wanna switch your existing technology to
Yeah,
RPA, right?
yeah. I want to upscale my technical skill set. Yeah.
Right. Any questions from today's class? Is it good?
I'm good, Raghu. I just want I don't have a personal PC as of now. So what is the requirement, to run the UI path?
So it's very basic configuration. For example, let me share is my screen visible?
Yes, Raghu.
So guys, if you have some basic but at least 8 GB of RAM is required, guys, because if you want to execute the bots and if you want to bots to run and like anything, then definitely you should have minimum requirement, no RAM. Your mobile phone itself, you're coming up with 4 and 8 GB, So RAM 8 GB, remaining anything is fine, guys. At least 8.1 version Windows. Windows operating system is recommended, and .NET framework is should be installed. That I can help you in all how to install everything. I can help you. And Google Chrome 64-bit is recommended, and our Microsoft Edge, which is Windows 10 version, is also fine. These are all the steps and all. I can guide you in taking the first class day after tomorrow or on Monday. Okay.
Sure. Thanks much, Raghu.
Thank you. Thanks for joining. Guys, can you turn on your cameras once so I can just take a pictures with all of you to post it in our group? Yeah, Jano. If you don't have any issues. Hi, Sushma.
Hi, Raghav.
Jesse and Brain, Sushma, Venkat, Sandeep, Madan. Yes, Sandeep, you raised your hand. Any question, Sandeep? Hi, Madan. Good to
Hey,
see you,
hello.
man.
Same here.
Hi, Sandeep. So, guys, I want to say something about Sandeep. He is my schoolmate. We are friends from almost 30 plus years. Good to meet my schoolmate here. Hi, Safalika. So guys, good to see Safalika. She is my colleague, office colleague. We both worked together in KPIT in 2018. Hi, Mr. Venkata. Good to see you. You
Good to
attend
see.
my sessions by waking up in the late night. Mr. Murali Krishna. Hi. So Safalika, you changed a lot, yeah. Almost after 7 years, I'm seeing into you. Hey, hi,
Yeah,
Jesse.
that's not well, so I got
Okay,
sick.
no
So
worries. No worries. I can understand. I'll pray God to give you good health and wealth.
yeah, please. At least I get a job.
If you get job, everything will settle down, right?
Yeah.
Right. Let me take a picture, guys. Thank you all for turning your cameras. Jesse, I'm not able to see you. One second, guys. Okay, and thanks for attending. Right. Any more questions, guys? Anyone? Open for the questions. Thanks for turning on your cameras. If no, then we are good. Let's connect again tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. IST for the second free demo session on RPA UiPath. And then we are good with the free sessions. From day after tomorrow, actual sessions will start. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you all
Yeah,
and have a
sure.
great
See
day.
you.
Once again, thank you so
Sure.
much for attending the session. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks, Raghu.
Thanks all. Bye.
Thanks.
thank
Thank you
you.
all.